Inside of your trip, you will see the itinerary section below the trip information. Here you will be able to add anything from flights, resorts, cruises, tours, and activities. Flight, resort, and cruise information should populate automatically for you as the data is being pulled from multiple sources. And all other itinerary features you would create and add in the system. Let's take a closer look together at how it all works. First, let's add some flights. Simply click on Add Flight. Select the correct date and enter the flight number. To ensure the flight pulls in for you correctly, make sure to enter the correct airline code followed by the flight number like this. Once the CRM finds the flight, simply select it and save. Repeat this process for any flights on this trip. If you are running into any issues, please verify you have the correct flight date and code. Next, let's add the property. To do that, click on Add Resort Hotel. Similar to what we did for the flights, make sure the dates are correct and then type in the name of the property. There are over 460,000 properties in the system, so you may need to be precise when searching for the name. Once you find the property you were looking for, simply select it and save. You can also add room categories if it applies. To add a cruise, click on Add Cruise and enter the dates and cruise name. In the same way you did when you search for the property name and flights, make sure to have the correct dates and that you are using the right keywords to locate the cruise in question. Once found, select it, add room categories, and save. For any other itinerary options like tours, trains, car rentals, simply click here to add the options. When it comes to the itinerary, you may want to add more options, which is why you can add your own activities by clicking here on Add Activity and selecting the right activity type. You can either manually enter the activity on the fly or select a pre-built activity that you would have created ahead of time like this. When you are done building the itinerary for this trip, you can send a nice itinerary email to your clients. To do so, click on the Communication tab at the top and select the Itinerary Detail template from the drop-down menu. You will then see a preview of the email to your right. Once everything looks good, you can send that email to your client by clicking on the blue Email Itinerary button, or you can send a test email to yourself or even export to PDF.